Hey, Fury. Good morning. How are ya? Toothless? What? Did you say something? I don't even know what you're looking at. There's nothing on the wall. It's literally a shadow. Toothless, you want to go outside? You want to go outside, buddy? I know Fury wants to do something. Let's see if any of them move. Here comes Toothless. Let's go outside, buddy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's actually not too bad out today. Sun. Yeah. You okay, buddy? Toothless doesn't go out front very often. He normally sticks to the backyard. The only thing he ever really sees out front is through that window right there. And or through that window right there. So this is an adventure for both of us. We still have all of our Christmas lights up. We actually have... Make sure he's doing okay. We actually have a little kitty out here. We tried to find a black cat, but couldn't necessarily find one. So we had to get the gray one. And the gray one has lights wrapped up around him. But he keeps falling because it's windy and he's not very stable. You can kind of see if I poke him, he just kind of falls over. So we're constantly coming out and fixing him. We spent so much time putting lights up that we figured, oh, what are you doing? What are you doing, dude? You're living your best life, aren't you? Well, we spent so much time putting lights up. Oh, this is a little penguin. He's held up by a paint can. That we figured that we might as well keep him up for a couple weeks after Christmas. What are you doing, buddy? You finding all the cool little spots to explore? Yeah, you are. You're always so chill when we go outside. What is this? Water dripping. You know, I always see videos of cats that lick water that drips from the faucet. We tried to get Toothless and Fury one of those water fountain type things for them. I don't know what he is doing. He's acting like his head is stuck in the bush. Toothless. Hey. You're not eating, are you? Yeah, you're yeah, I was eating. Stop, buddy. That's why you have stomach issues. What do you got on your nose? Ooh, car sound. Scary. But what I was saying was we got them one of them little water fountain type things for them to drink water out of their bowl. Because, people say that cats like the sound of running water. And needless to say, both cats did not drink water for a couple days, and we noticed that they were having issues with digestion, and we were like, what's the deal here? And we put a camera on their water bowl and noticed over the course of like 24 hours or so that they didn't actually ever take a sip of the water because they were so afraid of the little fountain part. Let's go. Let's explore a different area. Where are you going? Oh, you going back to the front door? I think he might want to go back inside. Let's see. Oh, no. Look at him. He's exploring. What do you see there? Oh, boy. Here we go. Adventure cat. Adventure cat. You gonna go back inside, buddy? Let's see if I open the door, if he sprints back in. Come on. No. I can't have both of you out here at the same time, Fury. You wanna go back in? You wanna go back in? Come on. Let me hurt him. I'm trying to hurt him. Yeah, let's go back inside. No, Fury. Alright, you can come. Come on. I'm a little more hesitant to bring Fury out here. He kind of just runs wherever he wants. And we don't have a busy road, but where are you going? There's no bushes over here, buddy. What are you doing, buddy? You exploring the outside? Are you gonna go around the house so that I can't see you? Ooh. We're just gonna adventure to the back of the house where we've already been multiple times. Why don't you want to explore the front? Are you cold? All of a sudden it got like a little bit chillier right when Fury came out. And he's much smaller than Toothless, so I'm sure he gets cold faster. It's just me, dude. I'm just following you, making sure you don't get any trouble. You like the sun? It's a little bit colder when it's outside, isn't it? We're not in the hot, warm house. You can see my shadow. Hello. Look at my shadow. Oh, Fury. So feeble. Let's not go this way. I'm afraid that the dog next door will come out. And I don't know how you interact with dogs yet. In the last 6 or 7 years, as long as we've had both Toothless and Fury, they've never really encountered dogs, let alone really any other animals besides obviously, like, if you follow our videos, Drain Cat and Steve, who was a possum that lived in our backyard at our last place. Ooh, there's a car. And we know how Fury interacted with, I think he wants to go back inside. You want to go back inside? Come on. Come on, buddy. Hey. Fury. I guess not. I'm going to have to pick him up. But we all remember how Fury interacted with, where is he at? Okay, he's back there. We all remember how Fury interacted with Drain Cat And we definitely all remember how Toothless interacted with Drain Cat. And that was not a good sight. If you want to see those videos, those are on our YouTube channel as well. And that's when we lived at our old place. So you can check those out if you want. I'll link one up in the top corner for you. Alright, I think we're going to go back inside, buddy. I'm going to have to come get you, because I think you just want to keep exploring. Come here. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Going back inside, going back inside. Here we go, going back inside. Now, that was fun, wasn't it, guys? Now they're gonna go take an hour-long nap because of the 10 minutes of adventure that they had. You just want to warm up, I know. You got something on your head, buddy. I'll let him smell me. Let me get that thing off your head. He does. He's like, let's play. All right, say goodbye to everybody, Toothless. Fury, you have a good day.